To create automatic dispatch and invoice in Vision ERP, go to SCM and click on Sales and then Sales Order. You will see a list of sales orders which have already been created in the system. To create the dispatch and invoice automatically, choose the sale order you want and click on Post. The system automatically generates a dispatch and invoice. If you want, you can also check the process trail and see that the dispatch and invoice have been created in the system. To view the invoice, click on Invoice on the right side of the screen and then click on View Commercial Invoice. Next, click on Preview and you will be able to view the invoice.